Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well at your end. Today we are going to make a simple party appetizer, cocktail salad sticks. This is very easy to make and it's perfect to serve in cocktail parties. It makes a healthy snacking option also. So let's get started and prepare this easy peasy appetizer.
Cocktail salad sticks. These are perfect to serve when you're entertaining. It's also easy and healthy snacking option. For this we'll require cherry tomatoes as needed. Try to get smaller ones, and Italian basil leaves as needed. We'll choose larger leaves for this. And here we have Bocconcini cheese. These are mozzarella cheese balls used in salads. You get them in various different sizes. And some toothpicks to assemble the salad. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon. Honey 1 or 2 teaspoons as you like. Little bit of salt. Crushed black pepper about 1/4 teaspoon. And the ingredients list also can be checked in the description box. Now let's mix the dressing. In a bowl, add lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of honey, little bit of salt, and some black pepper. Give it a nice mix using a small balloon whisk. Whisk all the ingredients very well until they are combined. Now I'm pouring this into a small container with a long spout. This is very handy to pour the dressing on the salads. Wash the tomatoes very well. Cut the cheese balls into smaller pieces. We do get the smaller ones also, but they were not available today. Small round ones are more cuter for this. Nevertheless, it tastes very good. These cheese balls are amazing. Take a toothpick, fold the basil leaf, cut out the stem part. Fold it and pierce it into the toothpick, followed by a cherry tomato and again a leaf, basil leaf in between each thing. Now goes the cheese. Next leaf again. Italian basil is perfect for this. One more cherry tomato. Yeah. And a small cheese again. Here we go. This way you assemble all of them. Such easy snacks are always welcome. They look good also. The platter looks so colorful and nice when you serve. And everybody enjoys them happily because these days people are weight conscious. Now on the last one. All done. Now let us pour the dressing over them. Give it a nice shake and pour it carefully over each stick. Simple dressing makes it so delectable. Sprinkle little black pepper on them. for the extra zing. And the salad sticks are ready to be served. So friends, make and enjoy these sticks in your next party and impress your friends. They look so cute and inviting. I'm sure you're going to love them too. Thanks for watching. And here are some videos from my collection. Check them out. You might have missed watching them earlier. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.